you for joining today. I'm excited to show you this proposal. I believe our agency can really bring a fresh perspective to your marketing strategy.
Thank you, Rona. I'm looking forward to seeing it, but I need to make sure we're not just effective, but it works fast and stay with our budget. The pressure is on.
I hear you. We've worked with this company in similar situations, and we know exactly how to handle it. I'm confident that this approach will not only meet your goals, but also connect well with your audience.
That sounds good, but we've been facing some cash flow issues recently, so we're slightly under budget right now. This has been a couple of months.
I understand. Cash flow problems are always a challenge. But here's the thing, the right marketing strategy, when executed well, can turn things around quickly.
I agree, but we're really under pressure. If we don't see significant returns soon, we might lose some of our existing customers, which could really hurt.
I understood. Let's talk about the risk so we're both on the same page and ready to navigate them.
All right, go ahead.
Let's start with financial risk. So one of the main risks is low interest. If we don't get strong engagement at the start, justifying further investment could be a tough sell.
Um, I can afford that kind of rates. What else do you have?
Another big risk is cash flow. Uh, these investments that they are don't generate immediate returns can also lead to delays in payments and stretch our resources thin, which makes managing everything much harder.
That's a hard risk, especially now.
Well, finally, loss of revenue. If this campaign doesn't convert, we risk losing customers who rely on us for their marketing needs, which affects your bottom line and our agency's revenue.
I see. I see. That's definitely a big concern.
Okay, now let's talk about non-financial risks, and these are just as important. The first one is negative publicity. If the campaign fails to hit the mark with your target audience, it could create backlash and back publicity for both of our brands.
That's definitely something we want to avoid. We had issues with our brand reputation before, di ba?
Exactly, which leads to damage to reputation. And if the campaign doesn't work, it's not just our credibility at stake, it's yours too. So your stakeholders would likely start questioning what went wrong.
We already had a rough patch with our reputation.
And then there's the worst case scenario, the death of the campaign. If it fails, it could damage professional relationships for both of us. For you, your stakeholders might start asking serious questions. For us, it could mean lost opportunities.
This, these are heavy risks, Rona. I don't think we're in a position to take a hit like that right now.
I completely understand, Danica, but here's the thing. All of the risks can be mitigated with proper planning. We'll start by targeting a very specific audience, which means you won't waste resources. And also, we'll keep the budget right and tight, control it carefully, and we will monitor every step closely. So if something goes off track, well, we'll pivot quickly.
That's reasonable. But what about protecting our reputation? How can we ensure we don't cause negative publicity?
Well, we'll work closely with your team throughout the campaign, and we'll even pilot it first before the larger launch. And if anything doesn't feel right, we can change it right away before it causes any fallout.
Okay, that sounds like a good plan. I want to make sure we're in sync every step of the way. This can't go wrong.
I agree. We'll treat this as a partnership, Danica, because I know together we'll manage the risk and set the stage for success.
Good morning po, ma'am. Welcome po sa Daily Grind. Ano po ang order nila?
Pabili nga po ng isang matcha latte coffee. Mukhang masarap kasi. Titikman ko muna yung lasa, kaya yan na muna yung order ko. Tsaka isang chocolate latte coffee para sa friend ko.
Okay po. Bali isang matcha latte po at isang chocolate coffee latte. Bali 180 pesos po lahat. I received 200 pesos po. Here's your change po. Upo muna sila at isa-serve na lang sa table nyo ang order. Thank you po.
Ang bango talaga ng kape nila dito.
Mukhang masarap at magandang itsura. Tikman ko muna kaya at nang mahusgahan na ang lasa.
Ano, masarap, di ba? Teka, anong nangyari sa'yo? Ba't parang namumula ka?
Hindi ko alam pero parang nahihirapan akong huminga. Paabot nga ng bag ko. Kailangan ko ng gamot ko. Mukhang inaatake na naman ako ng allergy.
Crew, ano ba itong nilagay nyo sa ingredients ng kape ng kaibigan ko? Baka nagkaroon siya ng allergy dahil sa mga pinaglalagay nyo. Akin na nga ingredients. Sabi na nga ba may allergy ka Ito kasi pang-try-try ng mga kung ano-ano inumin Hindi mo lang tinitignan kung okay sa kanila. Diyos ko. Ano ba yan, friend?
Sorry po ma'am, hindi po din kasi namin alam na allergic po pala siya sa isa naming mga ingredients. Sorry po talaga. Papasamahan ko na lang po kayo sa isa naming staff para ma-sure po na safe kayo ng friend niya.
No need na, okay naman na ako. Kailangan ko lang magpahinga. Halika na nga, Franny ko.
Ma'am, pasensya na. Nagkaroon po kasi tayo ng problema dito sa cafe. Yung isang customer po, nagkaroon po ng allergic reaction sa isa sa product natin. Buti na lang po nakainom agad siya ng gamot, kaya naagapan po. Kaso yung mga customer po na iba, hindi na po bumalik after po ng ganong scene.
Naku, nayari na tapos sumabay pa yung bagong tayong cafe dyan sa harap ng store natin. Hindi pa naman tayo makakapag-renovate ng store natin kasi kulang tayo sa financial. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-loan para maparenovate yan.
Oo nga po sabay-sabay din po yung mga bayaran sa bills ngayong buwan. Kailangan na din po ng mga pasahod ng mga tao po natin.
Sige na, gagawan ko na lang ng paraan yan. Bye na muna at may kailangan pa akong puntahan na meeting. Update mo ako ulit kung ano man mangyari dyan sa store ha. Salamat.
Okay, team. Tignan natin ang ating plano para sa bagong produkto natin, ang Smart Basket. Isang basket na may built-in weighing scale at app para sa inventory management. Excited na ako!
Basta ang design, modern, functional, aesthetic. Listen, sigurado ako magugustuhan ko ng mga mayayaman.
Handa na rin ako sa marketing strategy. Magpo-focus tayo sa social media marketing at partnership with local farmers market. Meron na akong listahan ng potential clients.
Ito ko naman, handa na ang prototype. Sinisigurado ko na matibay at durable ang materials na ginagamit. Gagawin natin ang lahat para maging successful ang Smart Basket.
Maganda, pero kailangan din natin pag-usapan ang mga potential risks. So, may mga 3 financial risks tayo. Una, mababang interest. Kung mag-loan tayo para sa mass production natin, baka mababa ang interest rates natin na makukuha natin kaysa taas ng rates. So, pangalawa naman sa financial risk ay ang suliranin sa cash flow. Baka magkaroon ng delay sa pagbabayad ng mga kliyente, kaya maaapektuhan ang ating cash flow at mahihirapan tayong magbayad ng mga utang. At pangatlo naman ang pagkawala ng kita. Kung hindi maganda ang pagtanggap ng Smart Basket, malaking pagkawala ng kita ang maaaring pangyayari. So dumako na naman tayo sa non-official risk. So una, yung negatibong publisidad. Kung may magiging publisidad sa kalidad ng produkto natin, maaari tayong makatanggap ng negatibong publisidad na makakasira sa ating reputasyon. So pangalawa naman ay ang pinsala sa reputasyon. Kung hindi natin mapapanatili ang kalidad ng serbisyo at produkto natin, maaari tayong makasira sa ating reputasyon at mawalan tayo ng tiwala sa ating mga kliyente. At ang panghuli ay ang pagkamatay ng mga isa sa miyembro. Kahit na hindi natin gusto isipin, ang pagkamatay ng isang miyembro ng team ay maaaring magdulot ng malaking disrupsyon sa ating operasyon.
Baka Maria, kailangan natin maging handa sa mga posibilidad.
Maganda na may contingency plan tayo para sa bawat risk.
Siya si Jazz, ang tagagawa, masipag, at maingat sa detalye.